That's funny.
Like the thing was just going back like this.
Oh yeah, that's how I did it. So I guess I'm gonna go hit the trails again, and that'll be the end of my video. Expect more videos this and next week. Like, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun. I see you. I see you. Take a cyber. Wherever you wanna go, I don't know. Let's go to the trails. Woo! Woo! That was. Woo! Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh god. No, I locked up my tire. For real. It's flooded. Maybe not good. I can't get in neutral with the clutch. It's in neutral, it's in neutral. Preston, let me ride your bike. I want to see what yours feels like. Come on, bro.
I'll hold this one. I'm not riding it.
Alright, I want to see what it's like. Because this is supposed to be a trails bike. But you know, this one's too ghetto anyway. For two jumps. Got a bent up gear shifter. Woo! Oh my god! It's going on its own. What the is this? Yo, this is scary. Woo! Yo, this thing is scary. I'm not even kidding. What is this thing? I'm not even kidding. What is this? It's like I can't jump. It's like Yo, your bike is going on its own. That's weird. That is true. Alright. I know. Alright guys, so I guess that's the end of the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. I wouldn't be recording. I wouldn't have bought a mic. I wouldn't have bought a GoPro, you know. I wouldn't have bought a dirt bike. But I love entertaining you guys. And that's what keeps the flow going. next video. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.